In this video, we'll show you how to install Adobe Creative Cloud on your Windows PC. To begin, open a web browser and go to miami.edu/software. Once there, scroll down a small amount and click on Adobe Creative Cloud. Then scroll down a small amount again and click on the orange button that says click here to download Adobe Creative Cloud products. You'll need to sign in, so enter your University of Miami email address and click sign in with an enterprise ID. This will redirect you to the KNID single sign-on page. So enter your KNID and password, then click sign in. You may need to authenticate with Duo. Now you're on the Adobe Creative Cloud homepage. Click Desktop Downloads on the left side. On the application selection screen, click Download underneath Creative Cloud. The Creative Cloud installer download will begin. Once that's downloaded, go ahead and open it to begin the Adobe Creative Cloud installation. Click Yes. Once the installation is complete, the Adobe Creative Cloud control panel will open up and you will need to sign in again. So enter your University of Miami email address and you should be automatically redirected to the KNID single sign-on page. Sign in with your KNID and password. Authenticate with Duo once more. And then you'll be signed in to the Adobe Creative Cloud application. From here, you'll be able to install any Adobe Creative Cloud application as well as run updates. We recommend that you pin the Adobe Creative Cloud control panel to your taskbar. This will make it easier to open the Adobe Creative Cloud control panel whenever you need to make a change or install new applications. You are now ready to enjoy your Adobe Creative Cloud applications.